Quick search on Amazon, I was able to find this LED light for the kitchen. It comes in a tiny box. I was looking for something really slim. Everything you need for the installation is in the box. All you need is basically a screwdriver. I bought it to replace the old light fixture that I had in the kitchen, which was really ugly. I wanted something slim and adjustable on color temperature, so it fits all the needs that I have in the kitchen. This particular unit has a 50,000 hour lifespan. The installation was really easy. I needed a ladder and a screwdriver, and all I did is remove the old one and put the new one in. Just a couple of screws, it just snaps into place, and then you're ready to flip the switch. Also comes the remote, so you can make adjustments on it. And this is how it looks like at night. These are the light modes that you could set it up for. The camera self-adjusts to it. The camera self-adjusts when you change the color, but you could clearly see a change in colors based on what you do with the remote. It also has a night mode, so this is a night mode where it's sitting in just kind of like a limp mode, and then you have the full mode right now. So this is pretty good. Also, if you don't want to use the remote, if you flip the switch, it goes through all its modes, so you could get all these 3 modes by just flipping the switch on and off really fast. That's another nice feature.